Ready to dive into the world of crypto trading without the usual red tape? Let's get you set up on Bybit and funded, all without mandatory KYC, in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the Bybit website €. The links in the description below for easy access. Look for the sign up button. Usually in the top right corner, click on that to begin the account creation process. You'll have the option to sign up with your email address or mobile number. Choose your preferred method, enter the required information, and create a strong password. Be sure to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After completing the sign-up process, complete the CAPTCHA verification. Once you're logged in, take a quick tour of your Bybit dashboard. Now, let's get some funds into your account. Navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. You'll find options to deposit various cryptocurrencies. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, like USDT or Bitcoin. Bybit will generate a deposit address specific to that cryptocurrency. Double-check that you're sending the correct cryptocurrency to the corresponding address to avoid losing your funds. Copy the deposit address provided by Bybit, then head over to your external wallet or exchange where you hold your crypto. Paste the Bybit deposit address into the withdrawal section and confirm the transaction. It typically takes a few minutes to a few hours for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Keep an eye on your Bybit account balance. You'll see the deposited funds reflected there once the transaction is confirmed, and that's it. You've successfully created a Bybit account and deposited funds without KYC. Happy trading.